Hare Krishna. The concluding verse of the 11th chapter of Gita, we see the last verse. The last two verses have been very, very fruitful and beautiful, wherein Krishna has said nothing else but bhakti is superior, the supremost, in order to know me. And Krishna says in today's concluding verse, what kind of bhakta, what should he be doing? What are his characteristics? What are my devotees' characteristics? Krishna says, text 55, the last verse of the 11th chapter, Mat karma krit mat paramo mad bhaktah sangavarjitah nirvairah sarva bhuteshu yah samameti pandava. My dear Arjuna, he who engages in my pure devotional service, free from the contaminations of fruitive activities and mental speculations, he who works for me, who makes me the supreme goal of his life, and who is friendly to every living being, he certainly comes to me. So we see yesterday Krishna said, my devotee only can know me. Yes. Bhaktya tu ananyaya shakyah aham eva vidorjanah. To know me is possible only in pure devotional service. Krishna says, what are his characteristics? Mat karma krit. He is only engaged in working for me. अपने जीवन में वो केवल मेरे लिए काम करता है, उसके लिए अपने लिए कुछ कार्य है ही नहीं, वो मेरे लिए कार्य करता है. मत कर्मकृत मत परमो. He knows me to be the supreme. He has no ambiguity, no duality. Who is supreme? Once some people came to meet Srila Prabhupada, and they were saying that, oh, you are saying Krishna is the supreme personality of Godhead and so many things. So भगवान ऐसे नहीं है, हम केवल एक ही संज्ञा से उनको नाम नहीं दे सकते. तो प्रभुपाद जी उनसे भिड़ गए, बोले ऐसा क्यों नहीं कह सकते? भगवान खुद भगवत गीता में कह रहे हैं, भागवत में कह रहे हैं, क्यों नहीं हम कह सकते? तो वहाँ पर प्रभुपाद जी के बहुत ही वरिष्ठ और करीबी शिष्य श्याम सुंदर प्रभु और मालती माता जी की छोटी सी 3 साल की बेटी सरस्वती थी. तो सरस्वती को प्रभुपाद जी ने एक बिस्किट कुकी दिखाई. सो बच्चे नेचुरली स्वीट्स की तरफ आकर्षित होते हैं. सरस्वती दौड़ के आई, हाथ आगे किया. सो प्रभुपाद जी बोली, प्रभुपाद सरस्वती, हु इज गॉड? सो सरस्वती 3 साल की बोली, कृष्णा इज गॉड. एक कुकी दी. उसके बाद प्रभुपाद जी ने फिर से और एक कुकी ली. सरस्वती, हु इज कृष्णा? सरस्वती कहने लगी, कृष्णा इज द सुप्रीम पर्सनालिटी ऑफ गॉडहेड. तो प्रभुपाद जी ने दूसरी कुकी दी और उसके पीठ पर थपथपाया. सरस्वती चली गई. प्रभुपाद जी इन लोगों को देख करके बोलते हैं, देखो, शी नोज मोर देन यू. आप इतना टेंशन लिए बैठे हो कि भगवान कौन है और शास्त्र में क्या क्या कहा गया है. ये 3 साल की बच्ची है, इसे पता है हु इज कृष्णा. कृष्णा इज गॉड, सुप्रीम पर्सनालिटी ऑफ गॉडहेड. एंड हु इज गॉड? कृष्णा इज गॉड. सिंपल. मत परमः. He has no ambiguity in understanding and knowing philosophically who is supreme. Then mad bhaktah, not only that, he is engaged. Devotee means engaged. Yes. So जैसे एक लड़का और लड़की, शादी नहीं हुई लेकिन engaged. Engaged means ये दोनों एक दूसरे के साथ ही रहेंगे और तीसरा कोई वहां नहीं आएगा, कोई कबाब में हड्डी नहीं बनेगा. Marriage means fix. So a devotee means he is married to Krishna in one sense. Yes. Correct or no? Even in Christian religion, we have nuns staying celibate. But when they take vows of celibacy, the nuns are told, oh, Jesus is my husband. Yes. So we see accepting Krishna or the Supreme Master to be my everything is a common thing. Sarva dharman parityajya mamekam sharanam vraja is a very common thing. Yes. So, mat paramaha and sanga varjitah. He completely abstains himself from any kind of material contamination. So, मैं थोड़ी भक्ति भी करूंगा, थोड़ा इंद्रिय भोग भी करूंगा, थोड़ा ये भी करूंगा, थोड़ा वो भी करूंगा। भगवान है डेफिनेटली, लेकिन मेरा भी लाइफ है ना। संग वर्जित है, ही कंप्लीटली एब्सटेन्स। जैसे एक व्यक्ति जो उसको अभी अभी डिटेक्ट हुआ है मधुमेह है, he is suffering from diabetes, he diligently and deliberately avoids all sweets. Similarly, a devotee, when he comes to know, oh, I am really having this big problem in my life, I am aloof from Krishna and too much attached to materialistic activities, he becomes Sangha Varjita. He keeps himself aloof. Nirvairaha, without any enemy. This is very important. Enmity is caused because of envy and hatred. When I consider myself to be superior than someone, then when someone else tries to boss over me, I have envy. Yes. So, nirvaira, vaira is caused because of envy and hatred. So, sarva bhuteshu, he envies no one, he hates no one. That includes the people who are causing trouble to him, seemingly causing trouble to him in his life. You see, everyone has different levels of tolerance in different things. And that's how vaira that one gets in this life can be at different stages for different people. But nirvaira, मैं किसी से कुछ बैर नहीं रखता. Samameti, he can come to me. So, with bhakti, what are characteristics? He is engaged only in working for me. He has no ambiguity in who is the supreme. I am the supreme. He is my devotee, engaged in my service. He keeps himself aloof from material contamination. He has no enemies in this material world. These 5 characteristics, if a person has, he comes to me, Krishna says. So, this is the end of the 11th chapter of Bhagavad Gita. A big milestone. Thank you very, very much from the entire Krishna Smaran team. I offer my humble obeisances to all of you for being with us and giving us a chance to serve all of you. From tomorrow onwards, we'll have the quiz link of the 11th chapter being posted for 4 days. Please make sure, attempt. Haribol.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare